Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. As you know, students, this is our SST class, and today we are going to start block 18. And today we will start our first lesson plan of this block. Before going to start our today's topic, I want to ask one question to you. In summer vacation, suppose your summer vacation is going on, where do you want to go to spend your summer vacation? If you like to go on a cold place, मीन्स आप अपनी समर वेकेशंस को बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है और आप किसी ठंडी जगह पे जाके उसको स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं, देन वेयर डू यू गो? वी विल गो ऑन अ हिली एरिया, on the hilly area or on the mountain area like the Jammu Kashmir, Mussoorie, Nainital, this kind of places, right students? So where what can you find on these places? We can find hills and mountains. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is hills and mountains. Keywords for today's class: hills, mountains and resources, content book, notebook and workbook. Is our entire country flat? What are the different types of land that we can find in our country? No, our entire country is not flat. We can find different types of land in our country like hills, mountains, river, lake, pond, desert, the coastal plain area. So these kind of features we can find in India. They are formed and found naturally on the surface of the earth. These different land and water features of the earth are called the different physical features of earth. In this class we are going to read about the different physical features of hills and mountains. So what is our today's aim? To describe the physical features of hills and mountains. Today we are going to learn about the features of hills and mountains, means कैसे होती है hills और mountains, हम उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे. Now it is time for the activity part, students. What will you do in this activity? I am going to show you two pictures. You will observe these two pictures very carefully and then you will find out the differences. Students, now look at these pictures and write the name of the physical features and also write two differences between these features. Student, just now you have observed the picture. Now I am going to ask the questions which are based on that picture. My first question is, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? In picture A, the picture A shows the hills. These are the hills. And the picture B shows the mountains. What are their names? Their names are hills and mountains. How are they different from each other? And you can find out the differences easily. As you can see, the mountains are higher than the hills. And you can see the slope of the hills are gentle and the slope of the mountains are steep. The peak of the mountains are sharper than the hills. And here you can find out the differences very easily. Hills जो है वो ऊपर से थोड़ा सा राउंड होती है and the mountains peak is sharp and pointed. इनकी pointed tip होती है. But यहाँ से हम hills को देखते तो इनके जो टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट होता है वो थोड़ा सा राउंड होता है. Most of the mountains are covered with snow. You might have heard about this. ज़्यादातर जो mountains होते हैं वो snow covered होते हैं और जो हमारी rivers है like Ganga and other rivers, these are originated from these mountains only. What is common between a hill or a mountain? What is the similarities between a hill or a mountain? Both the hills and the mountains are taller and higher than the surrounding area. Means इनका जो आसपास का area होता है, the hills and mountains both are taller and higher than this area. Next question is, how do you identify whether it is a hill or a mountain? How can you identify this thing? You can see, as I told you in the previous question, like the hills tops are rounded. These are not pointed like the mountains. Mountains की तरह इनकी जो top point होता है वो pointed और sharp नहीं होता, but mountains का जो उनका जो topmost point होता है it is sharp. And most of the mountains are covered with the snow. From these features we can easily identify that it is the picture of the hill and this is the mountain. Next question is, what is a mountain or a hill ridge? What is a mountain or a hill range? When a number of mountains, or hill are arranged together in a series, then it is called the mountain range or the hill range. Like this, when it are arranged, means इस तरह से जब वो एक साथ एक ही सीरीज में चलती रहती है, then this is called the mountain range or the hill range. Next question is, what is a valley? What is a valley? Means the lowland area between two mountains or hills is called the valley. Means like two mountains are there, and this lowland area is called the valley, and many of the rivers flow through these valleys, and these rivers are originated from the melting snow of the mountains. जो स्नो से जो मेल्ट होके जो वाटर कन्वर्ट होता है, वाटर आता है मेल्ट होके, वो रिवर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, एंड दीज रिवर्स फ्लो थ्रू दीज वैलीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ आर द हिल्स एंड माउंटेन्स इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स? यस, हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर हिल्स एंड माउंटेन्स इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स? हिल्स और माउंटेन्स जो है वो इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स हैं. हाउ दीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स? Yes, these are important landforms. Why? The plants which grow on these mountains and hills, because of this, these plants, these are very important. You can see in this picture, these plants give us wood, herbs and other products. Some plants can grow on the slopes of the mountains only, such as tea, coffee and apple. As you can see in these pictures, most of the places where we like to visit during summers are situated on mountains and hills such as Shimla and Ooty. As I talked in the beginning of the class also, means most of the tourism places are also there in the hills and mountain areas like the Shimla, Ooty, Nainital, Mussoorie. Now it is time for the higher order thinking question. What is the question? How is the climate different on a mountain and a hill? How is the climate different on a mountain and a hill? As we discussed about the mountains and hills, most of the mountains which are covered with snow, throughout the year the climate is extremely cold. But on the hills the climate is not that much cold. The climate is pleasant and good there. Now move to the reading section. Open page number 8 of your content book. Physical features of the earth. The earth's surface consists of both land and water. The land area of the earth has a number of features such as hills, mountains, deserts, plains and plateaus. Any part of the earth's surface that is covered with water is known as a water body, such as the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. These landforms and water bodies together form the physical features of the earth. Features of hills and mountain. A hill is a raised piece of land, often with a rounded peak at the top. They are not usually very high and have a gentle slope. A mountain is taller than a hill. Mountains have steeper slopes than hills. Some mountains have pointed peaks and are covered with snow at the top. When a number of mountains or hills are joined together, they are known as a mountain range or a hill range. Here you can see in this picture how the mountains are covered with the snow. These mountains are covered with snow and you can see the pointed top. इसका pointed top भी आप देख सकते हो, and you can see the steeper slopes. Slopes means इनका जो slope area जो है वो इस तरह से वो बिल्कुल खड़ा होता है, steep होती है इसकी slopes इस तरह से. बट जो हिल्स होती है उसकी जेंटल होती है. इनकी स्लॉप्स क्या होती है, थोड़ा सा जेंटल होती है. हिल्स एंड माउंटेन्स आर यूजुअली कॉल्ड इन द विंटर एंड प्लेजेंट इन समर सीजन. हिल्स का क्लाइमेट कैसा होता है? इट इज प्लेजेंट इन समर सीजन एंड कोल्ड इन विंटर सीजन. People like to visit such places in the summer to enjoy the pleasant climate and see the beauty of the place. Some people go to the mountains to ski in winter. Valleys. Valleys are flat lowland between hills or mountains. A valley often has a river flowing through it. Most people living in valleys find it easy to grow crops, build houses and get water from the rivers. The climate is also pleasant in a valley. What is this valley? The lowland between hills or mountains. Hills और mountains के जो बीच का एरिया होता है, जो नीचे वाला एरिया होता है, जो वाटर पार्ट होता है, that is called the valley. A valley often has a river flowing through it because जो mountains से जब snow melt down होके नीचे की तरफ आती है then it converted into the river, and most people living in valleys find it easy to grow crops. So वहाँ पर जो occupation है लोगों का क्या है वहाँ पर growing the crops, they do the farming, build houses and get water from the rivers. The climate is also pleasant in a valley. Valley का climate भी कैसा होता है, pleasant होता है. Now let's apply your knowledge. You will do S1 on page number 10 in your workbook. Open page number 10 of your workbook. Hills and mountains. Name the physical features shown in the pictures. As we have discussed about the same pictures in the activity part also. Picture A and picture B. You will write the name of these pictures. What is the name of the picture A and B? Question number 2. How are hills and mountains both similar and different? How hills and mountains both similar and different means here you will write the differences and the similarities between hills and mountains. Question number 3. What kind of clothes will you wear in the mountains in winter? Why? Which kind of clothes will you wear in the mountains in the winter season? Obviously in the winter season how would be the climate? The weather would be extremely cold. So which kind of clothes you will wear? You will write your answer here. This is your today's homework. You will do practice question number 2 on page number 12 in your content book. What is the question? What is a valley? As we have discussed in the discussion part also, what is a valley? The lowland area between the two hills or mountain is called the valleys. At last, now let's summarize our today's topic. Our today's topic is hills and mountains. Yes, we read about the features of the hills and mountains. The hills are the rounded top and mountains have pointed tip, pointed होती है इसका top, and the hills have a gentle slopes and mountains have steep slopes, and most of the mountains are covered with the snow. So these are the most of the features of the hills and mountains. So today we have achieved our aim successfully. Be ready for next class and resources for next class, content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.